Hey, Mike. What's wrong?
Pump don't work.
You look sad.
I'm super sad.
Our pump is not working.
It's just not turning over. There's got to be something locked somewhere. I don't know where.
It's always something.
Ah!
We're set up and ready to go on the machine.
Everything's perfect.
I went to go turn this thing on.
Man, what is wrong with you?
Hey everybody! Burrow Magic Mike here. It is a sad breakfast time mining Monday. Tell them why, Mike.
Apparently we won't be running today because of technical issues with water pumping device. Turns out it's probably rusted and, well, the impeller's probably rusted together and we can't even turn it over.
The water pump won't turn on. In short term.
Yeah. We're gonna probably do something else.
Yeah. So it's gonna be a day of probably test panning. We have an option of heading back up into town to find tools, open it up, see what we can do with it, but
by the time that happens, who knows what kind of time we have left over to do anything. If even.
It's breakfast time!
Breakfast. Woo! To sampling!
To sampling.
Samples.
So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk up and down the river here.
Save the day
Take
a little bit.
try to save the day. Do some test pans and see what we can find for later dates. Because we are out of water. I mean, there's plenty of water around. It's falling from the sky. So but we can't move it ourselves.
Yep. We even thought about just dumping buckets into the machine, but that ain't gonna
We
work.
had the Raptor perfectly set up. It was in tune and ready to go.
Amazingly perfect.
Got a top box on, nicely set up. Pull the bottom parts on. They just fell into place and perfect. But
go to start up water pump, nothing.
Yep. I go to grab the handle. Nothing.
Loved it.
It's all seized up. So,
yep.
We're gonna find some spots to take some test soil and
test soil.
Might have to show you how to pan.
Hey.
Be a how-to kind of day.
It's not a bad idea.
All right, we'll catch you up in a little bit. Woo! Take care.
The most annoying thing in the world.
It's just begging for freaking dirt. It's so set up. Ah!
Yeah.
Ah!
Yeah.
Oh my Lord, I wish we had this pump working. Test pan after test pan. Couple spots down below, but there's some nice chunks. Especially the one up there. Some good Washington gold. Woohoo! Woo! All right, quick lesson time. So we're kind of walking up the river here, heading upstream, and this one spot has a good amount of metal. Oh yeah. So when you're walking around trying to prospect for spots, one of the key things you want to find is metal, of course. And this is some really old steel.
Hey, Burrow.
Yeah.
I found some miner's moss.
Miner's moss.
Miner's moss.
Let me see if I can hold my beer and get over to you and watch with the phone.
Wonder if there's an old sluice back in here somewhere.
Where'd you find them? Oh, yes, you're right. Cool.
I'm keeping that.
Yeah, we should. Finders keepers. We keep coming back here weeks and weeks in a row. We never walk up the river. I feel like we've been failing on that, you know?
Ew.
Alright, lesson number 2. Found a little spot here in the side of the river. on an incline corner where the boulders kind of wash away, and you have this sandy beach to the waterfront, and it transitions to some pebbles, then straight up gravel. Now, your gold is going to be in the heavy stuff deposited up higher at the lower pressure water, and your light stuff is going to come out down to here, deposit on the shore. If you can find a spot like this, so from, let's say, from about there to back towards that bush back there, that's the kind of spot I would dredge, or not dredge, but just dig all day long. But first you got a test pan, of course. Right, Mike?
Yep.
Before you dig, you test pan.
What's the point of digging dirt with no gold?
So we have this lined, it's almost perfect. It just lines, oh, beautiful trees. A line of rocks that end after turbulence from the river, and then just transitions over to the sand and cobble. That's where I want to be. If you're on a river on the inside corner, you can find a gravel patch like that, or a sandbar, gravel bar in the river. You dig in the gravel. You say you love America, but why you throw your trash on it? Really?
Seriously? Pick up your trash.
Come on, guys. Pack it in, pack it out. Although, Batman's a good touch. But, come on. This stuff will be here for years. Years and years and years. What a shame. Lesson number 3 of the day. Never swirl your pan. You can twist your pan side to side when you're doing the first bit of panning out. When you're getting down to the black sands and the gold, you don't want to swirl. You want to shake, like what Magic Mike is doing. He has the right idea. Scrape out all the rocks. Back and forth, back and forth. I've seen a lot of people, they'll have their pan full of material, a little bit of water on it, and they'll swirl the water around. They'll swirl the water around. You might see the gold, but it's not helping you separate the black sand from the gold. Each layer by layer, every swirl will bring gold up on top of the black sand, making it that much more difficult to separate the black sand from the gold. So, just nice and gentle. Yeah. That's how you do it. That's how you do it.
So get the gold!
Yeah.
Alright, let's take a look here. Let's take a look here.
I'll be right back. Oh, there's something in there. It's not amazing. It's not glorious. I mean,
let us go.
It'll do for just test panning half pans.
Yep.
Yeah, so we're just walking upriver, doing some half pan tests before we hike out of here. But
get our day's worth.
another thing you saw there was when you get down to your last bit of level, you tap the top of the pan. That brings the gold up. It's a little strange, but it does. The heavier stuff, like the gold, goes from the black sands and will move up if you do it correctly.
down there.
Couple more pieces. Woo! Go!
Go!
A hard river. End of the day. A little disappointing.
A little bit. Not too bad.
The damn pump, bro!
Oh my God! Pop! Pump it up.
Well, I guess that happens when you don't maintain your equipment.
At all.
So, we're thinking that the water pump side of the machine is actually seized on us, so.
You saw some rust.
If we had been out last week, it'd been the same problem.
True.
Could have been.
True.
But I was sick. He was occupied something else. Who knows?
Who knows?
So we weren't able to get out here last week, but a couple spots down upriver, not bad.
Yeah.
One was really, really nice, just like what we have here, but not as much material.
Yeah. We might have to work a little bit more.
Yeah. Well,
But, you know, we could 1 or 2 days there.
yeah, 1 or 2.
Yeah.
And we got plenty of material back over here as well,
yeah.
so
Oh, yeah.
we will be back.
We'll be back.
We'll be back. So, finish up our last of nutrients, head up to the truck, and get out of here. Woohoo!
Sorry. Better?
All right. Better.
Much better? Lung butter?
Yeah.
There you go.
End of the day.
Yeah.
All right.
Made it.
So disappointing. Pump brace on us early morning. We get out there a good time. God.
Everything is set up. Everything is good to go. And guess what?
Turn the pump to on. Pull the cord. Clunk.
Dunk.
Clunk. Clunk. Oh.
Get nothing.
Nothing. We tried all day long to just maybe that rust would break. Maybe. No,
Nope.
of course not.
Push it back. Push it forward. Nope. Nothing. Nothing.
God. So, we just test panned all day long. We got some pretty good spots out there. The original spot we were going to be digging at, it's still showing the best gold.
By far.
By far. Some fat chunks.
If we had the machine running, we would have been on 2 to 3 grams. For sure.
Oh, God, yeah.
2 to 3.
I gotta say that our 3-week run total is just shy of 8 grams. And we'll have the last week's total for you in just a moment. So it's been beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Amazing.
Maze balls.
Love it.
So, all right, we are done for the day. We are back. Woo! Time to set her down for the night.
Yeah. A little moist. Just a smidge.
Just a smidge. Yeah.
Good
All
day.
right, folks. We'll see you next time. Take care.